Assalamu alaikum. So to merge contacts together, so you will come into contacts here, and then you can search for the contact. So in this case, right now, I want to merge Hatcher, so I can just do HAT, and there it is. So this comes in, so I will select these right here, and then what I will do is click right here, merge contacts. Okay, so you can choose one of the contacts as the master, meaning you will keep the information from that. So the ones that you want to show as the one that you want to choose as your master is normally is the one with the most information. Okay, or the most correct information. So right here you have auto glass. You can replace. You can either choose to keep these or replace it with this information. And in certain fields, you can choose multiple. But in certain areas, for instance, the year only takes one value as an now, so you can only choose one. So that's how you would merge the contacts together right here. So right now, if I was like the street address, if I don't want a street address, I would choose this. If I do want to keep the street address, I would choose this. Okay, so the information that is here right now, for these model, year, make, part number, I can only choose one option right now. And inshallah, I'm working on a option where each car can have multiple parts and have multiple cars. But right now, so I don't know which of these is important for you. So I will elect to keep this information. However, since this is being recorded, you can update these later on. But right now, Hatcher is going to have just one contact, and these information, because they're not selected, will be deleted. So this option right here is, you can say, hey, just show me the fields with different values, or you can choose to show all fields. So right now I'm going to show with just the different values, because here it's service type, in shop, and here it's empty. Okay, so again, this information is going to get deleted. Okay, and you have to then write confirm, resolve. See, fields not visible above will be lost while merging the contacts. So what that means is not, so if I chose this right here instead of choosing in-shop service, so here, if I had hit resolve, then the service type would go to blank. And here, so form filled, I will, okay. So yeah, if I choose true, then this will result to true. Alright, so right now, I'm going to hit resolve. Alright, so now we only have one J Hatcher, with updated information. Yeah, and that's how you do that. Assalamu alaikum.